am a 93-year-old grandmother of 6 feral children. They live in my home, and I fix them dinner on the stovetop. And now I'm a hoarder, and I do have a drinking problem. And so I had not turned on my television in about 4 months on account of it was buried under a pile of rubble and whatnot. And when I finally did unearth the television, I turned on the news station, and I was shocked to find that our president, Mr. Barack Obama, wants the nation to give up its beautiful firearms and guns and things, slingshots, any kind of doohickey that'll hurt you. And as a 93-year-old grandmother of 6 beautiful, feral, incontinent children, I don't see how you can justify taking away my right to kill anybody that show up on the doorstep. I got feral children.